Hello and welcome to another video of campers.eu. In this video I want to go over one of the cars that we have in stock. Let's take a tour and see what it has to offer. So here she is. It's a Volkswagen California T6.1 Ocean. It's the newest model, 2020 model. It has the beautiful color bay leaf green. It's a metallic color which I think looks better in person than most of the leaflets that Volkswagen is having. An Ocean always comes with standard full LED headlights, as you can see here. This car also has the Posada 17-inch wheels with all-weather tires. That's an option that we spec a lot these days. And when you look on top, you can see that it has you can unzip the front of the tent. The tent is in gray, which is a good color as well. And if we walk on, you can see here it says Ocean. If you have full LED headlights, it also comes with LED tail lights, which are beautiful because they're a bit curved. This car, if we walk a little bit further, you can see it has a beautiful badge here saying 4Motion. This is a 150 horsepower car and it has 4Motion 4-wheel drive and a DSG gearbox, a TDI engine. If we go a little bit lower, you can see there, I don't know if you can see it, yeah. It has a removable tow bar and a full spare wheel. That's also, the full spare wheel always comes standard with our cars. And from here you can see the black awning, which is a great addition to every camper. And then if we come to the inside, you see it has the graphite interior. Graphite is the standard color of the kitchen, and also the standard fabric on the seats. It has the LED lighting strips, and this, of course, is the T6.1 new top of the kitchen. There's the fridge. Now let's move to the front. And here in the cockpit you can see that this car has power folding mirrors. It has the light and vision pack with electronic headlights and a rain sensor. Every Ocean comes with a multifunctional steering wheel, and this car has something we really love, adaptive cruise control. And you can see a black cockpit here because this car also has the digital display. So you see the navigation and everything in the digital screen. It has the Pro navigation, so the largest screen that you can have. And here you can see some nice options as well. It has park assist, so that means that you have parking sensors in front, but also in the back, but also on the sides, and it can park itself. Now from here, let me put this on English. It's better for all you guys. Now, here you go. And then from menu, you can see all the drive assists that this car has. So it has adaptive cruise control, front assist, lane assist, so it will steer the car itself. Dynamic road sign display. So it will see, you can see it is there as well. It sees 30 kilometers an hour now. Trailer recognition and drive alert. So all in all, a good spec car and the new refreshed dashboard that the T6.1 has. So last but not least, the tailgate. Here in the tailgate I wanted to show you that this car has the comfort mattress, so you have the thicker mattress. It's very comfortable. It has of course this is T6.1, so you can really easily pull the strap and the back comes up. In that way you can easily make a lounge bed. And this car has the outside shower. So with that, I think it's clear that this car is just a great example of a California Ocean with all the specs that you really would want and need on the Ocean. So recapping, it's a California Ocean T6.1, 150 horsepower with 4-wheel drive, 4Motion and DSG gearbox, automatic gearbox. It's a car that has the Bambus green color. Sorry, not Bambus green, it's bay leaf green color, and it has the Posada 17-inch wheels with all-weather tires. And then it comes with adaptive cruise control. It comes with parking sensors front and back, including park assist, so it has parking sensors on the side and it can park itself. It has the privacy glass, it has a rear view camera, full spare wheel, it has the Pro navigation, digital cockpit, lane assist, so it will steer itself. It has traffic sign recognition and light and vision pack. It has the awning on the outside, as you can see. It has the outside shower, and it has a comfort mattress, a removable tow bar. So with that, you can go on a great holiday. If you want more information on this car, if you want an offer for this car, please contact us. You know how, and we'll make you a great offer. Thank you for watching this video.